why people suffer from diabetes? What is diabetes? Or
there are 101 reasons for that. Previously, the doctors thought that because of some inflammation of the pancreas or some other disease of the pancreas, insulin is not produced enough, and that causes the blood sugar. But the fact is that they have now discovered many hundred reasons why people have diabetes. Sometimes there is insulin but it doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? They are investigating and they are finding many solutions. So diabetes is a very complicated disease. So the follow-up cancer you just mentioned, he was a diabetic patient for about 30 years when he discovered that I was practicing homeopathy. So he asked me to give him some homeopathic medicine for this. So I said it will be very difficult for you to leave insulin. He used to have the injection of insulin regularly, 2 to 3 times a day. But he was a very determined man. He said, no, I will not take insulin. Or try something on me. So I gave him a prescription which worked so well in his case that the diabetes of 30 years was cured within a week. And he was so amazed that he went to the institution. It's called Juice's Institution. Dr. Juice, who invented many cures for the diabetes. Perhaps he is the one who invented insulin as well. He was admitted in the hospital. For 3 days and 3 nights they carried out extensive experiments. And then they discharged him that we don't find any trace of your being diabetic at all. So these are Allah's ways. So there are many types of medicines. The same prescription I give to everyone doesn't work. Right? You're not diabetic, are you?
Could you translate this?
This good.
इस्लाम से न भागो, राहे खुदा यही है। सोने वालों जागो, शम्सु ज़ुहा यही है। सोने वालों जागो, शम्सु ज़ुहा यही है। मुझको कसम खुदा की, जिसने हमें बनाया, मुझको कसम खुदा की, जिसने हमें बनाया। अब आसमां के नीचे दीने खुदा यही अब आसमां के नीचे दीने खुदा यही है। वो दिल सताने है किस राह से उसको देखे, वो दिल सताने है किस राह से उसको देखे। इन मुश्किलों का यारो मुश्किल कुशा यही है। इन मुश्किलों का यारो मुश्किल कुशा यही है। बातिन सियाह है जिनके इस दी से है वो मुनकिर। बातिन सियाह है जिनके इस दी से है वो मुनकिर। पर ए अंधेरे वालों दिल का दिया यही है। पर ए अंधेरे वालों दिल का दिया यही है। इस्लाम से ना भागो राहे हुदा यही है। सोने वालों जागो शम्सो ज़ुहा यही है। सोने वालों जागो शम्सो ज़ुहा यही है।
Jazakumullah. Most beautiful. You're at your top form today.